Do a quick little repair video. 400 inch high drive donkey stomper. Knocked out one pill. I put one pill in. Changed the combining resistor. One pill and 110 on. Boom, you're good to go. Let's see. Straight through SWR. Worldwide. Input SWR. Worldwide 0. Output reflag. 5 on reverse. Worldwide. No nothing. This is a radio drive. 1000 watt slug radio drive. Worldwide. Little as 200 pp. Worldwide. Turn on the driver. We'll look see what we're going to be putting into it. Worldwide. We're going to be driving it with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 110 pp. Turn it back on. 1000 watt slug driven. Worldwide. 1000 in the corner peak. Average. Worldwide. 5,600 average. 500 average. 2500 watt PEP. Worldwide. Well, my meter's always a little tighter. It's showing 900. I could drive a little harder to do more. That's good enough. The voltage is just 14 something. But there she is. All fixed, ready to go, man. Just gonna show you. Alright, bud, appreciate it. Have a good one. 018CB, this is Donkey Stomper waving.